it love or lies? Is it love or lies? If you got a girl at home, then boy leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me alone.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyra D, and I'm back with another video, baby. If you click in this video, either it's one of two things. Either you a returning subscriber, so hey, or you don't know what you're about to be for Halloween, and that's the problem. That is the problem, but it's okay. I got you, because baby, you can put something together real last minute and it can still be real cute. Okay, I'm about to show y'all some cute little stuff that I put together for Halloween costumes. This could be stuff you got in your closet, stuff you can order from Amazon Prime, because baby, if you order that Amazon to the Prime, it's gonna be here. So anyway, these are gonna be different outfits. Couple of these or whatever. I wanted to look at some Fashion Nova outfits for some inspiration. Like, you know how they always upload their little, not upload, but you know, like Fashion Nova always has their Halloween costumes and people go crazy over them. They post them and they be sold out 2 days later. So it's like, what you supposed to do? But baby, you can really like recreate these outfits low key. So just don't worry, just I got you, okay? Okay, so for this first outfit, I want to just show y'all what I was going for, okay? As you can see on the Fashion Nova website, this is the outfit or whatever, and it's very simple. If you go to a Halloween party, you're gonna see somebody being a devil, an angel, this, that, and the third. This simple, it's so simple to put together, right? Okay, let me just show you. So basically I have, instead of this, it came put all together. All we did was pair a Fashion Nova bodysuit. This if you're feeling, okay, there's two different ways to wear this. If you want to feel like risque, whatever you want to call it. If you're feeling feisty, okay, if you're feeling real feisty, okay. And then you could do the bodysuit. This is a Fashion Nova bodysuit, super cute. And then I got these angel wings, super cute, from Amazon to the Prime. These angel wings came with the wings, and it also came with the little halo, no Beyonce, you know what I'm saying? Super cute, and if you want to wear some heels with it, you can wear some heels with it. If you don't, baby, don't wear heels. Wear whatever you want for your shoes. Honestly, it's cold, so I don't know where you're gonna be wearing this. If you just, you know, you might not get cold, so baby, that's up to you. But anyway, so yeah, so you can wear this outfit like this, or you can also wear this outfit with a skirt or some pants. So for example, I have this paired up now with a skirt, and this skirt is actually from Fashion Nova as well, baby. Love me some Fashion Nova, period. But yeah, so we have this skirt. If you don't want to be like showing all your goodies, because baby, everybody ain't gotta see that. Everybody ain't gotta see it. You know what I'm saying? If you get this bodysuit and you turn around and you walk outside, your booty cheeks are gonna be out. But you can find a bodysuit like this literally anywhere, like, okay, period. Okay, y'all, so I already told you about the little angel wings and stuff. You can also wear this bodysuit with like the Playboy ears, which would be super cute, you know what I'm saying? Or like, if you don't have time to order these, because like this very last minute, baby, you might not have time, go to Walmart. These Walmart ones was not giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. Like, no, that's why I ordered these. But these are giving very much hidden. These are only $2.98, so if you really do just need to run to Walmart and be like, baby, I don't have no costume, boom. And they're just super little though, but you could definitely do this. This is giving grown, this is giving child, okay? It's like two different things. So yeah, you can definitely pair the bodysuit up with the ears, or you could do it with like a plain bodysuit, like a plain black bodysuit or whatever. Just put the ears on it, super cute or whatever. But yeah, normally when you do like the little Playboy bunnies or whatever, you don't normally wear like the pants with it. So it's your prerogative, baby. It is your prerogative, okay? Y'all, who don't love the Mean Girls? Like, what? Hold on. Whoa. Mean Girls is always blowing up on TikTok and stuff. So baby, I just decided to recreate some fits like inspired by the movie. Baby, you could be Karen, you could be Gretchen, you could be Regina George, you could be whoever you want to be. As long as we wear pink on Wednesdays, as long as you got your pink on and everything, wear a cute little skirt. This particular outfit right here is from Shein, the whole thing. I have a white crop top from Shein, and then I paired it with like this like plaid looking skirt from Shein as well. And then, of course, you gotta have the burn book. I ain't had no real burn book. I don't know if you got one, because baby, how you do that? But I got this idea. I ain't fully doing that though. But basically, I saw this thing on TikTok where a girl had like an iPad and she got like a notebook case, and then you put like the Mean Girl stickers on it. So if you want to do that, I just had the notebook, baby. Just regular notebook. If you want to put the stickers on it, order that from Amazon too. Go out and do whatever it is that you want to do, baby. But yeah. So yeah, as long as you have on your pink and you looking real cute or whatever, I think it would be super cute for Halloween. Cause like Mean Girls Halloween, like that's cute. Like what? You could wear this with some heels or whatever. Cause if you're really trying to do it like a Mean Girl, like you gonna wear some heels, baby. So but it might be a little cold. Depending on where you live, it's up to you. It's your prerogative, okay? Okay, y'all. So this next outfit, got this inspiration from Fashion Nova as well. This is like a cute like referee type of outfit, right? Okay, you see that, right? But this one was like very crop top and this, that, and the third. Baby, you could do the same thing. You don't even gotta buy it. Let me tell you, if you don't have these little shorts, you can find these anywhere at the beauty supply, baby. Like this is just a little bitty pair of black shorts. And then I have like this referee type top. I'm pretty sure you can find one off Amazon. But this particularly, the one that I have, it is from Pink. It's actually from Love Pink. So yeah, I just put that together. You can wear it with some gym shoes or whatever. I know some people call them sneakers. Where I'm from, we don't call them that. We call them gym shoes. So yeah, man, your business. Do you call them gym shoes or do you call them sneakers? Because I just need to know. They gym shoes, okay? Not your business. Alright, y'all, so this next outfit that I'm about to show you is basically like tennis inspired. I got this idea because I was like, you know what? I saw these super cute photos from like people doing photo shoots and like, and the, you know, with the tennis court and everything. And I was like, baby, this is giving, okay? So this is basically what I have is an outfit from Shein. On the website, it said it was like a tennis outfit or whatever, but I did get this visor separately. I didn't have no tennis racket because, baby, I don't play no tennis. I am not Venus or Supreme. You know what I'm saying? So I had to use a fly swatter. Mind your business. If you got a tennis racket just sit around the house, that's good for you, and you can do that or go to Walmart or whatever. But yeah, this little two-piece set is from Shein, and yeah, it was a little cute little tennis outfit. So yeah, that's my tennis girl fit. All right, y'all, that is the end for this video. I hope that y'all liked it. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, share this video and everything, you know what I'm saying? Help your girl out and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween. Or baby, if you saw something in this video and you're like, you know what, I need to do that, I need to do that, let me know. Comment down below and let your girl know. Like I said, all of these outfits were super like easy to make or whatever. You either have this stuff in your closet, you can order off of Amazon, find something super similar that you already have, or something like, you could do it, baby. You can make it do what it do, okay? Just because Halloween is around the corner don't mean that you don't gotta like have something to wear, because baby. But yeah, I'm going to talk to y'all in my next video, so bye.
Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? If you got a girl at home, then boy, leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me alone.